everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and in this video I have a really quick and easy pair of earrings I'm calling the Copper Oaks earrings. They feature some pretty antique copper findings and some TierraCast lovely charms as well. So this is the earring, and a little backstory is I really tried to make this more complicated than it turned out to be. So it is very simple and elegant. I think it's one of those designs that you would probably find that you'd wear a lot because it goes with so many different things. I initially tried to bead the hoop and I put a bunch of extra dangles on it. And then at the end of the day, I thought really just simple and elegant was the way to go. So I'm calling these the Copper Oaks earrings. And like I said, they just use a really pretty TierraCast oak leaf charm. So you can see what that looks like. It's quite tiny, it's very pretty. It has a beadable hoop. I'm going to show you what I mean by that in just a minute, and a pretty antique copper earring hook. So what's neat about these hoops by TierraCast is they look solid. You're like, wow, that's a beautiful wrapped hoop. But there's a little trick, and that trick is they actually detach and you can bead them. So this is nice for slipping on charms or beads that have holes that are big enough to go in them. Now this little loop at the end, you can widen a little bit with a pair of chain nose pliers if you are trying to get a bead on that doesn't fit, or is a tight fit, I should say. But what we're going to do is we're going to slip on one of these little oak leaf charms. So I'm just going to open that up and slide on my charm just like so. Now I do want to show you real quick, because I just chose one charm. I do want to show you what it would look like with three, because I think three is also really pretty. And I'm just pulling this back so that I can slide these on. So here's what it would look like with three. So that's something to consider as well if you like that design better. So you'll see them side by side. So definitely you can put a whole bunch of them too. They're really quite lightweight. So I'm going to slide off now two of them and then just leave that one there in the center. So there's one off and two. Okay, so when you've got what you want on there, you just take this little loop and you slide it back into place. So if you saw that, see how it's just kind of catching there? There's like a little loop, a little anchor, and then it is really secure. That's not coming undone. So now for the earring hook, it's really simple to add. So the earring hook has a little open loop at the base. So we're just gonna open that up with our chain nose plier, and we're just twisting it open the same way we would do a jump ring. And then we're just gonna slide on the little loop, and we're gonna close up. And we are done. It was that fast and that easy to do to make a really pretty, elegant pair of earrings. And these come in different finishes too. So if you do like this design, but you would prefer something other than copper, please do check out the selection because you have a lot of choices. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to make a really simple yet elegant pair of earrings.